Welcome back. It's now time for your midday sports. Now at sports time, Jamaica lead Trinidad and Tobago by 104 runs at the CWI Rising Stars Under-19 three-day tournament. Adrian Weir has so far top scored for Jamaica with 63 and Stephen Wedderburn has made 38 not out. Now earlier, Trinidad and Tobago were bowled out for 191. Rajiv Ramnath did most damage as he scored 63, hitting 7 fours in the process. Ryan Edwards and Tamari Redwood both claimed 3 wickets for the Jamaicans. Nashane Mead got 2 wickets, while Marlon Powell claimed a wicket. Meanwhile, Guyana required 216 runs to win against Barbados in their 3-day matchup. Barbados, in their second innings, posted 152 for 4 after scoring a respectable 302 for 9 in their first innings. And the Windward Islands are in firm control against the Leeward Islands as they need just 90 runs to win, with 8 wickets still intact in their contest. Now there is an injury concern for the senior reggae girls as they continue their build-up for the FIFA Women's World Cup, which kicks off on Thursday. This as forward Jody Brown, who suffered an injury in their behind-closed-doors friendly against Morocco on Sunday, is expected to face some time on the sidelines, according to head coach Lorne Donaldson.
Jody picked up a good knock. I thought she was done for the game, but she wanted to, go on. I'm sure she's going to be out for a few days because she looked like it's a deep contusion. So we don't know yet. I'm not a doctor, but she might be, hobbling around for the next couple of days.
The match, which was played at the BT Connor Reserve Stadium in Victoria, Australia, saw the Reggae Girls walking away 1-0 winners. Atlanta Primus scored the lone goal in the 18th minute. However, earlier, Khadija Shaw missed a penalty. Coach Donaldson says he's pleased with the team's performance. And it's the final preparation towards the FIFA Women's World Cup for the Reggae Girls. They play their first match of the showpiece against France. Live coverage will be on TVJ, TVJ Sports Network, One Spot Media and Hits 92 FM. And that's it for your midday sports. Shamela?
Thank you, Jordan. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports and production teams, good afternoon.